I got a question just now, just came in, and it really, I wanted to share this with you because it really struck me. So the question is, does the fact that you know with 100% certainty that you will be reunited with your departed loved ones, all the pets that you've had over the years, does the ability to know that you'll be reunited one day ease the pain? How do I ease the pain? So what I have found is the first thing that I had to do was I had to realize that there is no separation, that all energy exists in quantum, in space-time. Space and time are basically the same thing in the quantum realms. And without getting too, out there, you can go look it up if that's your thing. I researched it, I watched everything I could on it, but every outcome that we could possibly experience is happening right now in the quantum realm. And it's just a matter of us raising our vibrational energy to be on the same frequency to experience that of what we want. So if you want to be with your departed loved ones, you just have to change your frequency. If you want to achieve more abundance in your life, you just have to tune into that frequency. And it's happening right now. It's happening all around you. So if you're missing a beloved companion and you're feeling that they're gone forever, they're not gone forever. It feels like it because we're in a physical body and they're not here physically, but their energy is. And that energy is always near. So what I like to do is I like to help ease the pain, because that was the question, does that ease your pain, knowing that you'll be reunited someday? Well, of course, it absolutely does, but I can reunite with my beloved companions anytime I want because I have already grasped the idea and understand the idea that they're around me all the time, that we aren't separated. But here's what eases the pain. What eases it for me is replacing that feeling of pain with an elevated emotion such as gratitude. Now, this is not my concept. This is coming from the teachings of Dr. Joe Dispenza, who has all of his teachings on YouTube. You can go look him up. I love his teachings. I follow his teachings all the time. Regularly meditate with him on gratefulness, and I learned to replace those feelings of pain with an elevated emotion such as gratitude. So that is how you right now can ease your pain. But all of this takes effort. There's no magic fairy dust. There's no click and send and instantly you're better. You got to roll up your sleeves and you got to do your own research. I'm not saying, follow my way. It's the only way. No, you have to find your way. But I'm giving you the tools and the resources that I use that help me when I'm feeling that pain or missing someone, because I feel all those things too. I'm having a physical experience here on earth as well. So I feel all of that too, but that's what I do. So think about it. There is no separation. They are still connected to you, with you, and always will be connected with you. They know what's going on around you. They know what's happening in your current life. And you have to trust that their energy is there, even if you can't see it, hear it, feel it, touch it, that sort of thing. I promise you they are. It's just a matter of your frequency. Raising your vibration, changing your frequency, and replacing the pain with that elevated emotion. Give it a try. Let me know if it works for you. And if you want to hear more like this, please follow along. You know which buttons to push. I'm Karen Anderson. I'm a pet loss specialist, animal communication expert, and I've written 3 books about the afterlife of animals to help make your journey through a loss a little less painful. So thanks for watching.